Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Sam. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day here on my channel. So recently I have been trying to declutter my makeup collection, just because I feel like there's a lot of makeup I really don't use and I'm not gonna use. So I figured, why not just get rid of it. So actually the first round of decluttering I did write a blog post about it, which I will link down below. And I've recently done another round of decluttering. So this video is just gonna be makeup that I'm getting rid of. All this makeup I am selling on Poshmark, so it's not like I'm just throwing it away. I am doing something with it, giving it to a new home where it can find someone to use it. So I have already sold quite a few things on my Poshmark, which is great. Hi Bob. Oh my gosh, you guys are so mad. So I'm actually really quick going to show you my Poshmark. So this is my profile, and so I'm selling quite a few things that like I'm not gonna use, haven't used, whatever. So I have sold my Soap Culture, my Ultimate Glow Kit, my Lorac Fort, and my Dream Street palette. Again, these are just ones that I'm not going to use or I haven't used. And so if you want to check out what I'm talking about, then I will leave the link to my Poshmark down there. So let's just get started because there's quite a few things in here. So the first thing is my, what the heck? Oh, here we go. My 35O palette, just because I have the 3502 and I feel like they're a lot similar. And if I had to choose one of the palettes, I would use the colors in the 3502 more. I am missing like this copper shade. I have it, it just keeps coming out of the pan. But yeah, so I'm selling my 35O palette. I've used this maybe once in the whole time I've had it. So I just don't get as much use out of it as I would have thought I would have. So next, I grabbed this NYX eyeshadow palette. I actually bought this because Casey Holmes used it in a video and I was obsessed with this green right here. And I haven't used it. So I'm getting rid of that. Next is this L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. Again, a product that I have not used. I don't know why I bought a thing that's gonna illuminate your skin when I don't like dewy face looks. I like matte face looks. So I don't know why I would buy something that is not matte. I have the worst problem like looking in my viewfinder, so I just put that down. All right, the next two are high-end things. This is the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. So it looks like this. This one honestly is my most used shade. There's a bug. I just love that purple burgundy. So that's really like my most used shade, but I am selling this. A lot of the things I'm getting rid of a lot of eyeshadow palettes. And then next is my Sun Dipped Glow Kit, which this one was tough for me to figure out if I wanted to sell it or not because of like these two colors right here. But I don't use them. So now looking at it, I'm like, it's so pretty, but I don't reach for this. I've had it since I ordered it on Black Friday, so right after Black Friday, and I have not used it but once. Like you can see, they're literally swatch marks and that's it. So I don't reach for it. I have so many other highlights that I use on the daily basis that this really is just sitting here being wasted. So next I have two face powders. So the first is the Coty Airspun translucent setting powder, and the next is the Flower Beauty Power in transparent. So I'm very picky when it comes to setting spray or setting powders, and I've had bad experience with both of those. Again, have been used not even a couple times. Like, there's not even a dip in this. So like there's some areas where you can like see, but I mean that's how little I've used it. Next is my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. This literally pains me to get rid of because I used to love this palette, but I just don't use it anymore. I don't reach for it. Oh my god, and it smells so good. Oh gosh, I haven't used this in like over a year. I mean, all the shadows look like barely touched. This one and that one are like two of my most used shades in this palette, but I just don't reach for it anymore, which is so sad because it's such a pretty palette and it smells so good. There's a bug in my house, but I just don't reach for it anymore. So next is my NYX Matte Bronzer. This is another product I don't use at all. I mean, like, you can barely tell that it's ever even been touched. I've never really used this, but like maybe one time before I got my Smashbox bronzer. Next are two like kind of primers. So I got Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Blur and Illuminate primer. Again, I don't use illuminating things. I don't like an illuminated look. So why I bought an illuminated primer, we may never know. It's just this little Clinique 3-step thing. I don't know, for like oily skin. I don't have oily skin, so I don't need it. Then I have 3 of the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighters. Highlight, Bronze Gold, and Champagne are all the ones. This is like so, again, I just don't use them. I think Starlight is my most used one, but I have so many highlighters that like I buy new ones like, ooh, I'm gonna love this, and then I buy another new highlight that I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna love this, and I really do love that one, and I don't use the old ones. I'm gonna try and keep them together as a bundle if I can. Okay. Oh no. Oh, I didn't even do this one, dang. So next I have 4 ColourPop lippies that I am selling. So I'm selling Viper. This is my jam. Calypso and Fresh Cut. That's them. I like really go towards like this color lip, so like nudes. Okay, so I buy so many ColourPop lipsticks. Like freaking Black Friday they were on sale. There was another time they were on sale, so I just buy them and I don't need them. I don't really use them. So I picked 4 that I have not used, and then I'm actually including 2 more things in with it. Is the ABH lip gloss in Saint Tropez. I'm not a lip gloss person, so that's why I'm trying to get rid. So it looks like such a pretty color. I swear I hear like a TV on in my house, but no one else is home but me. And then this Lipstick Queen lipstick, and it's in Morning Sunshine, which is, it's weird. Does it actually go on yellow? Is it? And I'm not swatching those two because they are in the box and I would like to keep them completely unused. I am also selling this NYX Soft Lip Cream, and it is in Copenhagen. All right, next is the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer. So I used this once and I just like, I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm just selling it because I won't use it. Next I have a little Benefit bundle, and this I got in one of those little like, you know, like little globe things that they do. They're cute. So I got, and the Gimme Brow is in, can you see that, shade number 3. Next one is the California blush, which is this nice. And then the High Beam highlighter. These are one of the things that I bought because I was like, oh yeah, I'll totally use it. And so then the last thing is just 3 my Real Technique sponges that are completely unused. I am now into the Face and Body sponge, which if you haven't seen, it's like the huge one. And ever since using that one, like I can't use like a small beauty blender anymore. So I am getting rid of them because I did go a little bit crazy when they were on sale a little bit ago, and I bought a couple just because I was like, I hate when I don't use my beauty blenders for more than, or like beauty sponges for more than like 2 months, 3 months. So I bought a couple of them, and now I'm not going to use them because I use the Face and Body sponges. So yeah, so that is everything I am selling on Poshmark / I am decluttering, getting out of my makeup collection. I just don't have room for all the makeup I don't use anymore. So yeah, that was this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.